Skype to retire in May 2025. Here's what you need to know. After more than 2 decades of connecting people around the world, Skype will officially be retired on May 5, 2025. Microsoft announced the decision as part of its plan to simplify its communication services. What does this mean for Skype users? During this transition, users have 2 options. Move to Microsoft Teams. Starting soon, Skype users can log into Teams using their Skype account. Chats and contacts will carry over automatically, making the switch seamless. Export your Skype data. If you prefer not to switch, you can download your chat history, contacts, and call logs before Skype shuts down. What about paid Skype features? New purchases of Skype credit and subscriptions will end immediately. Existing users can keep using paid services until their next renewal period. After May 5, 2025, paid users will still be able to make calls through the Skype web portal or Teams. Thank you, Skype. For millions, Skype has been a vital tool for staying connected. As we say goodbye, there's time to save your data and explore new ways to communicate. For full details and step-by-step guidance, visit Microsoft's official support page.